What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how to install V-brace bar covers for your BMW E65 series. First thing we're going to do is pop the bonnet. Also switch to some gloves right now. Safety is number one priority. First and foremost is lift up this cover that we have over here, and it's going to need a little bit of strength. Right here, so it's this plastic trim cover that you have here. Now that we have exposed the T30 Torx screws, we're gonna undo them. There should be 5 in total, so let's crack on with that. We keep the bumper loose from the top here so that we have access to the bottom clips of these kidney grills in order to remove them. It's time to get your flathead screwdriver, something like this, which we will use to press down on these clips from the top of the kidney grill as well as the bottom. What we're trying to do is ideally move this slightly out of the way, and you see the bottom clips here. Just going to play around with them with the flathead screwdriver so that we can loosen the bottom half of the grill, because that's what you want to do first, because here we've got easy access and then we can remove the top, and you want to do the same thing on this side. Now that I've got my kidney grills removed, now this is the V-bar brace I'm talking about. Some people may not be aware and they just watch my videos, hence why I'm explaining like this, and some of you are here because this is exactly the mod that you'd like to do. Here are the V-brace bar covers that I have. I went with the gloss orange, and I've noticed there's no glue or any tape inside, so I'm just guessing here that you just slot it into place with the bar, and because of the limited room here, it's got nowhere else to go but to stay secure. Just put it through the kidney grills and work like this. Oh, I was afraid that this would happen. It seems like the V-brace bar is quite longer than the original bar for me just to easily clip on top. I don't know if you can see here. Luckily I've got an angle grinder, which means I'm just going to cut slightly smaller so that it doesn't touch the top of the part where it restricts it. Real quickly here, that's how much I removed from the bar, and we're going to give it a go now. That is perfect. That has went on so perfectly. That is exactly how it should look like. Now we're just giving it a quick clean. Just remember, when you order these from eBay, you will need to make your own modification like I have shown in this video. There we go. I think it was nice and easy, just like that. That was nice and straightforward. And we're going to do the exact same on the other side. There we go. We're going to just put everything back. I just thought I'd show you what it looks like with the light on, and it just matches. It's nice. I've got the orange look and I've got the orange little LED headlights. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot through how to install V-brace bar covers on the BMW E60, as well as some modification won't always go as planned, hence why you have to improvise on the size. But I hope you like this video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and spread this video around. And don't forget the usual, check out my social media for the fun side of car modifications. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.